Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your work week and working hours on your Microsoft Outlook calendar. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left and go down and select Options. Select the calendar button on the left panel here, and now you have work time options. You can customize your working hours as well as the days of the week that you are working. And then you can also customize your calendar as to what the first day of the week is as well as the first week of the year. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, once you're done, just select OK to save the change, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.